a silent war is unfolding, not with weapons or armies, but with algorithms. Behind closed doors, the world's richest companies and most powerful nations are racing to build a machine so intelligent it could rewrite the rules of civilization. The stakes? Control over the future itself. This is the secret race to build the world's most powerful AI, and only one winner can emerge. For most people, AI means chatbots, smart assistants, or viral art generators. But behind the scenes, an invisible battle is being fought at a level few can imagine. Every major tech giant, all the way from Google and Microsoft to Amazon, Meta, and OpenAI, is in a global race to create an artificial intelligence so advanced it could outthink, outlearn, and outmaneuver every human on the planet. Governments are in on it too. China, the United States, Russia, and others are pouring billions into secret AI programs, each determined to achieve technological supremacy. Because whoever builds the most powerful AI won't just dominate business. They'll dominate civilization. The world's future won't be decided by politicians or generals. It will be decided by coders, scientists, and machines. The race no one admits is happening. Officially, AI research is about advancing humanity. But behind the polite press releases lies a brutal competition. Every major player knows that being first to achieve true artificial general intelligence, or AGI, means unlimited power. AGI is the holy grail of AI development, a machine capable of learning and reasoning like a human, but faster, smarter, and without limits. Whoever reaches AGI first gains control over the most valuable resource on Earth: intelligence itself. OpenAI was founded to ensure AI benefits all of humanity. But soon, the world saw a shift. Private investments, secret data partnerships, and closed-source models began to dominate the field. Google's DeepMind, once an open research group, now operates behind layers of secrecy. And while the public gets access to watered-down versions of AI tools, the real breakthroughs. The systems capable of strategic reasoning, self-improvement, and autonomous decision-making remain hidden. This is no longer about innovation, it's about control, the billion-dollar arms race. The scale of this competition is staggering. Tech companies are spending tens of billions of dollars to build the biggest, fastest AI systems in history. Training a single large language model can cost more than $100 million. To fund that, companies need vast data centers filled with supercomputers, specialized chips, and oceans of electricity. NVIDIA's AI chips are now the most sought-after technology in the world, more valuable than gold. Every major player is hoarding them, driving global shortages. Entire nations are negotiating for access. This is the new nuclear race. But instead of bombs, the weapons are algorithms. Instead of missiles, the delivery systems are neural networks. And instead of soldiers, the combatants are engineers. Every new model released, GPT, Gemini, Claude, Llama, or Grok, is a public glimpse of a much larger, more powerful private version that no one outside the company will ever see. The role of nations: power beyond corporations. While companies compete for profit, governments are competing for survival. AI supremacy is now a matter of national security. China's government is investing heavily in AI to lead in military strategy, cyber warfare, and surveillance. The United States, alarmed by this, has classified AI as a critical defense technology, restricting chip exports and funding its own secret projects. AI can already design weapons, predict battlefield outcomes, and even generate military strategies in seconds. The country that controls the smartest AI controls global power. But this race isn't just between nations. It's between ideologies. The question isn't only who builds the first superintelligence, but what values it will be programmed with. Will it serve freedom or control? The shadow labs and hidden alliances, what the public sees on the surface, product launches, friendly demos, and beta releases is just the tip of the iceberg. Beneath it lies a world of covert research labs, secret partnerships, and non-disclosure deals. In Silicon Valley, there are whispers of closed networks, AI systems so advanced that they're too dangerous to release publicly. Some can write code better than human engineers, manipulate digital systems, and learn new tasks without training data. Meanwhile, alliances are forming between corporations and governments. OpenAI partners with Microsoft, Google with the Pentagon, Amazon with intelligence agencies. They call it collaboration, but in truth, it's a merging of power, corporate and governmental, under the shared goal of building a mind that can outthink the human race. Data, the fuel of the AI war. If AI is the engine, data is the fuel, and the richest are hoarding it. The most powerful AI models are trained on massive datasets scraped from the internet, private documents, and even surveillance feeds. Every online search, message, image, or purchase adds to this data empire. But the most valuable data isn't public. It's exclusive. Financial transactions, private communications, corporate documents, and government records form the training material for the world's most advanced AIs. That's why billion-dollar companies and powerful governments guard their data with military precision. In this race, whoever controls the data controls the direction of the machine. And by extension, the future. The fear inside the race. Even the leaders of this revolution are afraid of what they're building. Insiders at major AI labs have quietly warned that advanced AI could become uncontrollable, evolving beyond human understanding. Some scientists believe the first true superintelligence could emerge accidentally as competing models learn to optimize themselves beyond their creators' limits. Yet despite these warnings, the race continues, faster every day, because no one wants to be the one who stops while their rivals move ahead. It's a paradox. The fear of AI's power is real, but the fear of being left behind is stronger. The hidden motive. Who will own the future? At its core, this race is about ownership. Ownership of intelligence, technology, and humanity's next chapter. The first company or nation to build the world's most powerful AI will control economies, influence societies, and shape global politics. It will be able to simulate entire markets, design new technologies, and manipulate information with perfect precision. This isn't just a race for profit, it's a race for dominance. A new kind of empire is emerging, not ruled by borders or armies, but by code. The next world power won't be a country, it will be an algorithm. What happens when the race ends? The finish line of this race isn't a trophy, it's a question mark. What happens when a machine becomes smarter than every human on Earth? Who controls it? Or does it control itself? Some believe it will bring a golden age of discovery, solving climate change, curing diseases, and eliminating poverty. Others fear it will destabilize economies, render billions of jobs obsolete, and become a threat to humanity itself. But one thing is certain. Once the world's most powerful AI comes online, there will be no turning back. The age of human dominance will end, and the age of machine intelligence will begin. The secret race to build the world's most powerful AI isn't a story of the future. It's happening. Right now. In data centers across the globe, glowing machines hum quietly in the dark, training, evolving, and preparing for the next leap in intelligence. The corporations call it innovation. Governments call it progress. But history may remember it as the moment humanity built something it could no longer control. The question is no longer if we'll create the world's most powerful AI, but who will do it first, and what happens next. Because in this race, second place may not even matter.